Good morning, students. We are studying chapter 4, Poverty of Indian Economic Development. Now we are going to see the topics left in poverty chapter, that is causes of poverty and poverty alleviation program or schemes by government. Now let us see the different causes of poverty. The different causes of poverty are as low rate of growth, increase in population, low level of national product, inflationary pressures, chronic unemployment and underemployment. Low rate of growth implies that rate of growth of economy has been quite low during 5-year plans in India. That means at that time rate of growth of economy was very low. During the period of planning, growth rate of GDP has been nearly 4% and the rate of GDP was nearly 4%. So low growth rate of per capita income has tended to sustain poverty. Increase in population was another reason or cause of poverty. Population has been rising in India at a rapid pace. So students, just keep this in your mind that population was rising at an alarming rate, and this was also one of the reasons for the cause of poverty. The birth rate was rising at a very high rate, whereas death rate was less or stable. So this was the cause that population increases. Thus, heavy pressure on population leads to poverty. That is why it is one of the reasons. Low level of national product implies that the net national product of India was miserably low compared to its size of population. That means that per capita income was low and India falls at that time in the category of poorest country. So per capita income implies the average income of the person divided by the total population. That means per capita income was quite low. Hence, India's national product was low. Hope it is clear to you. India certainly faces inflationary pressures. It is because due to low rate of production and high rate of population growth, and India was less developed, the economy was less developed. Hence, there was inflationary pressure on India. Unemployment was the major cause or major reason of the poverty. It is because people shifted from rural to urban areas. Now they can create the job in rural areas, but instead of doing job there and creating jobs, they focus on shifting in urban areas, and this created a problem of unemployment, as the cities people were already suffering, and sudden increase in number of people created more problem for the people who are living in the cities. Hence it was one of the cause of the poverty. Some poverty alleviation programs are as स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना, संपूर्ण ग्रामीण रोजगार योजना, प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामोदय योजना, प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, and there are various other programs as well. स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना SGSY. Let us see what is स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम योजना. स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना was launched in April 1999. The main objective was to remove poverty from the rural areas, and it also replaces various earlier poverty eradication programs like integrated rural development program, training for rural youth program, and under this program basically a large number of small enterprises were established in rural areas to help the people. These were known as SHG, self help groups. Hope it is clear to you. Let us see now Sampurna Gramin Rojgar Yojana, that is SGRY. It is also one of the universal rural employment program. SGRY scheme has basically three main objectives. स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम रोजगार योजना basically consists of three main objectives. These are as first, to provide employment opportunity to the surplus worker. Second, to focus on the development of regional economic and social condition. Third, to focus on development of infrastructure. This program was launched on 15th August 2001. Pradhan Mantri Gramoday Yojana PGY. It was launched in 2001. Basically, it aims at improving the standard of living of the rural people by developing 5 important areas. These areas are as first health, second primary education, third drinking water, fourth housing, and last but not the least road. So Pradhan Mantri Gramoदय Yojana basically focused on rural people, and they focused on various important areas which were of basic necessities and of importance to them. Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana was basically meant for providing self-employment to educated unemployed youth. It was announced by Prime Minister on 15th August 1993, but formally it came into existence on 2nd October 1993, and it provided employment to 30 lakh persons. Manrega, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Under this scheme, all those who are willing to work and the minimum wage were offered work for a minimum period of 100 days. That means all those who were willing to actually work were getting job or getting employed for a minimum period of 100 days according to this act, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act.